So there's Truman, and I am here. I don't know, it's around 7:30. Mad Men's on in the other room, but there's a view here in the pool that I just had to share with everybody. So look at this.
We're swimming laps with Norma.
And how long have we been swimming laps
Forever.
with Norma?
And she just is like, uh-uh.
And she's just going back and forth.
Keep going. I'm going to check things up.
And then there's Truman walking back and forth. So there's Angela swimming with her dog, Norma, with Truman watching. And they've been going, I think, about 15 minutes now, and this dog has just been swimming back and forth. Are we worried that she's going to get tired out? How are you doing?
Whoa. She's kicking my ass.
No, she's not done yet. No, Angela, how long have you been going now?
Ever since you came and saw us swimming.
So like 15 minutes.
I guess so. And she keeps doing this little, I see what you're doing. It's really funny.
All right.
It's funny, Norma.
Yeah.
So
So I'm going inside for the brownie bites and Mad Men, and there are towels here if you need them.